Welcome to Fully Geeking Out. It's your boy Eddie, the big geek himself, back with another unboxing. Check it out. I got this pedal commander for my 2020 Tacoma. I got it because I felt that the vehicle feels very sluggish. When I hit that gas pedal, I feel like the truck cannot breathe. So I did some research, came across this. From what I gather, this is supposed to increase your throttle response. When you push that pedal, the vehicle will take off or pick up. So let's get into it. Let's check it out. Pretty decent packaging. It's a hard case. So there's nothing on the back except for the branding, Pedal Commander. I don't know if you can see that. And some other branding there. So let's get into this and check it out. Slide it this way. Slide it open. So I got here, I thought this was just a label, but it's actually the booklet, and it tells you all the settings. It tells you how to set it up, how to connect it, and just your general disclaimer. What's cool about this is that the Bluetooth in this version allows me to connect an app to change the settings on the Pedal Commander without seeing this control panel. Let's pull this out. Oh, here's the wiring. It's a pretty small little unit. I thought it was going to be a lot bigger. It's pretty compact. Like this. Very small, very petite. It looks like it has some straps, holders here to strap in, or maybe zip tie it. Oh no, actually, I am wrong. This is actually the holder. So you have a holder, and then you could just clip it anywhere. I think I would definitely use that. And let's get into the ends here. So you take these two, take one of these. One of them is going to go into the pedal, and the other one's going to go into the receiver. And the receiver, this will tell the computer, hey, I pushed the pedal. Now it's trying to open up the throttle. So increasing your response time, or restricting it, because if you go in the eco mode, you can actually restrict the amount of pickup and save on gas. I don't know who's going to be using that with a truck. I mean, it's already sluggish now. I don't know if I would be using that ever. So, pretty small unit. We got some, feels like a wipe. And some Velcro. You can Velcro this anywhere, to stick this anywhere in your vehicle to make it easier. They also provide some zip ties. So you have several different options. You can zip tie. This zip ties are most likely to zip tie the Pedal Commander cables up to either other cables or just mounting points under the dash to get a cleaner look. The Pedal Commander. This is actually pretty long. This wire is probably 2 feet long, so it can reach to wherever you're going to mount it. Let's take this and install it in the truck.
Alright, now we're in the truck. What you're going to do is behind this connector, there's a push disconnect. So you're going to push in and slide it out. And you see that's what the Pedal Commander is going to connect here, and then it's going to connect here to the pedal. Okay, so we have to connect the pins. Make sure the pins and the connector match and line up, and just push it closed. Then what you're gonna do is connect the other one. Let me move my hand. Make sure it lines up before you push it in. It lines up, and it's in. There you go, it's in. And that's it.
Thank you for watching. Everything that's talked about in this video will be linked in the description below. Please leave your comments. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.